Hey everyone, welcome to Geotech and More. In today's video I'd like to show you this really cool little USB powered humidifier that you can buy over on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description to this where you can buy this cool little humidifier. Yep, you just get a little cup, add some water to a bowl or a little cup. You plug this little humidifier into a USB port and you're good to go. That's it. It clears the air. It helps you breathe better. It's a nice little cool mist. So check it out. Okay, thanks for watching Geotech and More. Take care, everyone.